Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, Why a Ukulele is a Great First Instrument. The ukulele is one of the easiest stringed instruments to play. It has 4 easy to press down strings, and they come in a variety of sizes that fit most hands. This is a soprano ukulele, which is designed for very small hands. There is no way I can play one of these. My hands are just too big. Now this one is a concert size, about 25 inches long, which works very well for me. There are many larger sizes that exist, so there's a size that exists that can work for most anyone. Many chords are very easy to play on ukulele because a lot of them require only 1 or 2 fingers. My ukuleles are tuned G, C, E, A. A C chord is formed by just placing a finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. C major 7 by placing a finger on the 2nd fret of that string. C7 is made by placing a finger on the 1st fret. So with that you could play You can also play A minor by placing a finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. An A7 by placing a finger on the string 1st fret. You can form an F by placing a finger on the G string 2nd fret and the E string 1st fret, which only requires 2 fingers. You can also play an A major by placing a finger on the 2nd fret G string and the 1st fret C string. As with everything, you can pay a lot of money for a ukulele if you so desire. This is a custom handmade ukulele that was built by a local luthier and cost around $400. However, you can buy many well-made, playable ukuleles online for well under $100. Here are a few examples. This is a ukulele made by a company called Kosh. It's about 23 inches long and it has very nice looking wood, as you can see there. Okay. These come in a variety of colors, play very well, and look very nice for the money. Here's one made by a company called Koala. These are nice looking ukuleles that come in a variety of colors, and they also come with a built-in tuner. This one is one of my favorites. This is a ukulele that resembles an Ovation guitar and can be plugged in. It also has EQ controls on the side and has a preamp that is powered by a 9-volt battery. Now this one is a 6-string ukulele. This instrument is a great precursor to guitar. It is tuned A, D, G, C, E, A. These are the same notes that are present on a guitar at fret 5. You can play anything on this one that you can play on an acoustic guitar. It also doubles as a great travel guitar. one other thing. Lots of great lessons are available on this channel absolutely free. If you want to learn to play the ukulele, just use the link in the description below this video. And these are some of the reasons that I think a ukulele is a great first stringed instrument. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.